A truck full of bananas keeps setting off nuclear smuggling alarms at United States ports. Homeland Security has to wave it through every single time. And it's not a malfunction. The bananas really are radioactive. 20 tons of bananas in one container emits enough gamma radiation to register as a potential nuclear weapon. The culprit? Potassium 40, a naturally decaying isotope inside every banana you've ever eaten. Brazil nuts, kitty litter, and even your own body trigger the same detectors. You are, technically, a low-level radioactive source. Would you still eat the banana? Comment your answer below.